Yes, sir.
So in today's class we are going to discuss reflection and reflection especially there are many cases of reflection, but we have to discuss only reflection from x-axis, reflection from y-axis, reflection from y is equals to x line, and reflection from y is equals to minus of x line. And there will be another case if you have a general equation of straight line y is equals to mx plus c or ax plus b. If you have a general any line, then how we can take the reflection of any point. First of all, we will discuss the reflection of point. Then on the same pattern you can get the reflection of a line. On the same pattern you can get a reflection of a any polygon, or you can say any figure. Is it okay till here? This will be our
Oh, yes.
outline of our discussion. So do you know anything about the reflection, how to take the reflection? Let us take some example. We have a point p is equals to 3 comma minus 2, and we have to take reflection of this point from x axis. We have to take the reflection of this point from x axis, right? So first of all let me draw the grid line. So sorry, you can tell me the answer. Your question is in front of you. You have the point p, you have to take the reflection from x axis. You can tell me the answer during this time.
Okay, sir. I'll try it.
So this is your x, this is your y.
Sir, so reflection in the x-axis. So would it be 3 comma 2?
So this is the point p, 3 comma, okay, you are telling me the answer,
Yeah,
3 comma 2.
yeah.
Okay, very good. Let me check. So 3 comma minus 2, where is the point 3 comma minus 2? 1, 2, 3, and minus 2. So this is the point p having coordinate 3 comma minus 2, and you are giving me the reflection of this point as 3 comma 2. That's correct. 1, 2. So okay, how you have finded this? Can you explain the method you have adopted?
So reflection has to be equal. So because
Yes.
like the 3 is
So
on the x-axis, so
yes,
that will change, and then
yes,
the y, it's 2
yes,
below, so it'll go 2 up.
yes. The basic condition is, it's a law of physics, law of reflection in physics. So the perpendicular distance from the mirror and the point should be equal. The perpendicular distance from this point to the mirror is equals to the distance between the image and the mirror. Is it okay? Okay. With the same
Oh,
axis,
yes.
with the same concept, you can do one more question. I want to find its reflection from x is equals to 3 line. I want reflection from x is equals to 3 line. Point is still same. The question is point is still same. You can see its diagrammatic representation of the question. I want to find the image of point P, that is 3 comma minus 2, with respect to line x is equals to 3. Yes, tell me the answer.
X is equal to 3. Okay.
Okay, let me give you another question. Tell me the reflection of this point P
Please.
from x is equals
Wait,
to
I'll do it 1 second.
minus of 2. We have to find the reflection of this point P from x is equals to negative of 2.
Okay, so 1 second. X is equal to -2. Okay. Sure, so it'd be -7, comma, um, -2. Yeah, -7, comma, -2.
Minus 7 comma minus 2. So let me check. So first of all, please draw this line x is equals to minus 2. So minus 1 minus 2. So this line is your x is equals to, this line is x is equals to minus 2. So basic concept is same. Find the perpendicular distance, right? So perpendicular distance will be this much. How much? One block, two block, three block, four block, five block. So you have to move five block in other side. One, two, three, four, and five. So its coordinate will be what? One. See, but coordinate should be written from the axis, right? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should be minus 7, and y coordinate will be same. Please see, y coordinate will be same. There will be no change in the y coordinate, so it should be minus 7 comma minus 2. That's correct. So on the same logic, can you tell me the reflection from this x is equals to 3 line? With the same logic, can we
Oh,
draw?
yeah. So there would be no reflection
Why?
because it's on the point, right? So
So what's the problem?
it's a straight line that crosses both of them.
No problem. Its image will be at the point itself. See, if we draw a
Yeah.
line mirror that is passing through the point itself, so what's the distance of this point P and this mirror? No distance, zero distance. So its image will also have no distance. So it will be lying on the same point. Is it okay? Now, see, is there any conclusion? Is there any conclusion we can draw from these discussion? If you want to take reflection from x-axis, can we conclude some observation? If you want to take the reflection from x-axis, yes, if you want to take the reflection from x-axis, the first observation is x coordinate will not change. If you want to take the reflection from x-axis, see, the image of 3 comma minus 2 will become 3 and 2. So the conclusion is, the first conclusion is, to get the reflection from the x-axis, please take care, x coordinate will not change. X coordinate will not change. And this is true for if you take the reflection from any line parallel to x-axis, if you take the reflection from any line parallel to x-axis, still your x coordinate will not change. Still our x coordinate will not change. X coordinate will not change. Are you getting this point?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, similarly, let us conclude for if there is a point P and if you take the reflection from y axis, so what is going to happen? Y coordinate will not change. Y will not change. Take reflection from y axis or any point or any line parallel to y axis. If you take any line, if you take reflection from a line parallel to y axis, still its y will not change. Other coordinate will change according to law of physics. Is
So
it
when
okay?
it's a reflection from X, so when it's a reflection from X, the X doesn't change, and when it's from Y, the Y doesn't change.
Yes, that's the conclusion. You can check it. See, if you have in the first
Mm-hmm.
case, if you have taken the reflection from x-axis, see x coordinate has been not changed. If you have taken the reflection a line parallel to y-axis, please take care this. See, this is a line parallel to y-axis. You can see this is a line parallel to y-axis, and this is the answer. So if you are taking a reflection from y-axis or a line parallel to y-axis, please take care its y coordinate will not change. You can see here. So these are the little observations you should know. And some, okay, can we proceed?
Oh, yes, sir.
Next, these are the discussion of reflection of a point. Next we are going to discuss reflection. Okay, there is some more point. Reflection about, or you can say from the line y is equals to x. If you want to take the reflection from y is equals to x, uh, let me draw the grid line again. See, this is my grid line y x, and let us suppose I have a point P that is the 2 comma 3. So the point will be 1 2 1 2 3. So this is the point P having coordinate 2 comma 3, and I have to find the reflection from y is equals to x line. Yes, can you draw y is equals to x line? Yes, I can draw.
Yeah.
Let me change just a bit. So I'm going to draw y is equals to x line. See, this is the y is equals to x line. This is the grid line.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the y is equals to x line. See, this is your y. Oh, sorry. This is your y. This is your x, and this is the line y is equals to x. Where is the my point? 2 comma 3. 1 2 1 2 3. So this is the point P, 2 comma 3, and you have to find its reflection from this line. What will be the answer?
Okay, so sure. So would it be 3 comma 2?
Yes, its answer will be P dash will be 3 comma 2. How you get this answer?
So it's an equal distance that way. So
Okay, so you can see it's perpendicular distance like this, so you have to proceed in the same, sorry, in the same line, so you will get this point, and its coordinate is 3 comma 2. What's the observation? What's the conclusion? If you want to take the reflection from y equals to x, what we have to do? Simply exchange the coordinates. Exchange the coordinates with sign.
yeah.
Let us
Oh,
take
you
one more
you don't
example.
change the sign though.
Sorry?
Do you have to change the sign also?
No, 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 no. I'm giving you another example. Let us take this point. Let us take this point. What is this point? This point is minus 1 comma 1. Tell me the image. Tell me the image. You can think. See, its perpendicular distance going
One
to be
comma
this.
minus one.
So it's when you proceed similar. So what is this point? This point is 1 comma minus 1.
One comma
So
minus
what's the
one.
observation? You have exchanged.
You just swap the x and the y.
Yes, exchange the coordinates with sign. Are you getting my point? Any
Yeah.
problem?
Oh no.
Do you know these points, these observation before this discussion?
Oh no.
Okay. So next we are going to find reflection about uh, you can say y is equals to minus x line. Can you guess what will be the tricky approach if you want to take the reflection from, sorry, y is equals to minus x line? Can you guess what is going to be happen?
So y equals x.
Y is equals to minus x. We have to take the reflection from y is equals to minus of x. This is your y, this is your x. We have to first draw y is equals to minus of x. So I am drawing it. Oh, sorry. So this is the line y is equals to minus x. This is the line y is equals to minus of x. Okay. Now I am taking my point as this. This is the point P. What's the coordinate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is minus 7 comma 2. Can you find the image? Or uh, for your observation we can take some
Just
simple points also. Hello, are you getting?
oh yes sir.
Okay. Let us suppose we are getting, we can take this point. Let us suppose this point Q. What's the coordinate of this point Q? It is 1, 2, minus 2 comma 1.
Minus two comma
Yes, what should be its image? So we can draw its perpendicular distance is this. When you proceed in the similar manner, you will get this as image, and read the coordinate of this point. So it is minus 1. See the conclusion. What is the meaning of this? If your point has coordinate xy, so its image will have minus y and minus x. See, in my question it was minus 2 comma 1. So now it will 1 will gets minus of 1, 1 will gets minus of 1, isn't it? And this minus 2 will get
yeah.
2. Is it okay?
Yes sir.
Please note it down.